Hello and welcome to a new video. I've got something I wanted to show that I've been working on for the last few weeks, and this is a small utility to make like the Apex developer life easier. And the most common use case I have is for this tool is, for example, you sit there, you're programming something out and you forget, oh yeah, now I need to send a mail with PL/SQL API. I know it's apexmail.send, but I always forget how are the parameters called again. And then you have to go into the documentation, find Apex mail, etc. And so I can this is my spotlight on Mac. It's actually Alfred. And I can type Apex into here. And then I have this documentation section here. And I can go to apex_mail and then send. And then I get here, I have the send function procedure. So I want to use this one. My browser opens and I'm immediately in the send procedure, and I can scroll through here and immediately see the syntax and documentation on it. Same things, of course, also works with the JavaScript. So for example, apex.item. We already immediately here can create. And there's also like way more. Think about I also go a lot to the Universal Theme app and to look something up. So I can go here and, for example, CSS Variables is something I look up quite often. I have fed all the variables into here. So if I type in component and I want the component icon color, I have the variable now just paste it into my editor basically. And same thing goes for CSS classes, icons, search through icon modifiers. I have all the Apex views indexed in here. So for example, I want the page regions view. I always forget, is it Apex application_page regions? Okay. And also like snippets, for example, an icon button. Quickly get that with the span in there and the right button classes. Or I have in here I have websites to quickly like go to the Ideas app. And here we are, so I can quickly navigate here. And yeah, that's basically the aim of it. I think it's really useful. So how can you get it? Yeah, that's the part some people won't like. It's only for Mac and it's only for Alfred. So this is this tool here. The spotlight replacement is Alfred that I'm using. You need the power pack for it. And then you need also Node.js installed. Type in this command I'm showing here now, and then you already have it. For the others who don't have a Mac or don't want to use Alfred, I'm encouraging you to just fork my repository on GitHub. It's open source, and just create your own similar extension for like your platform, like for Raycast on Mac also, or for like PowerToys on Windows. I know that there's some kind of launcher app for Linux that also does the same behavior, and just spend the time to port this over to your platform, and maybe then we have a solution for everybody in the future. Okay, so now that I've got your attention, and maybe you already have, you are one who has Alfred installed, I've also got this extension where I can search through my workflows, my VS-Code-workspaces. I'll also link that below, so I can quickly go to, for example, this repository, click enter, and then VS Code is opening up. That's also saved me so much time. And other than that, I'm not very active on this channel anymore. But if you're looking for more Apex tips and tricks and tutorials, you definitely should check out the United Codes channel. I post a video there typically every another week. So if you want to see more of me, then definitely check out the United Codes channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.